We're gonna do something a little different. You know, we're gonna try to keep content coming in on the channel for the viewers and stuff to watch. Also, we're trying to beat the rain so it won't bang up my tin and you can hear me or not. So what we're doing, keep the content stuff rolling in. We're going to install Starlight headliner, which you see I done started because wanted to charge up the GoPro a little bit, so I went ahead, started on it. It's come out of a 2018, I believe that's what it is, Silverado. So we got a 550 piece kit going in with the shooting stars, and I'm going to do something a little extra, being that this is a, I like to say a full canvas because they don't have the sunroof in it, so I can play a little bit more. Now I could do designs in it. I did that before on a few, but I'm gonna do something a little different to show y'all. And gonna be the 550 piece kit with the Starlight, shooting stars, sorry. We're gonna do that, and then I got another kit I'm gonna put in, so we'll have two different kits going with two different colors, you know, blending in something different. I believe it'll work well. It'll fill in the rest of this. So it'll be about 900 lights. Well, actually more than that with the shooting stars. So I'll say about 960, 970 lights all together in the headliner. What I like to do is poke my holes. Let me find my drill bit. Don't drill them. They tell you to drill them. Do not drill, because then you will rip up the fabric on the other side and just pull it out. So don't drill. So what I like to do, I got a sharp point I made out of a drill bit. All I do is get my drill and just poke them. Just poke through it. Then I come back and put the lights in individually. And after I get so many in, I'll come back and glue them. Where's my glue? Now I like to use this kind of glue, the E6000. You can get it at Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, you know, your little hardware stores, whatever in town, or you can get it online. I like to use this because it's quick and easy. They tell you to hot glue them, which that'll take forever. You know, you can hot glue them if you want. That's your best bet, the E6000 glue. Other glues I've tried, just testing them out, it just burns through the board and just eats a hole in it. So we don't want to do none of that, but that's the best thing to use. So while it's raining and it's starting to get harder, and you probably won't be able to hear me, I'm going to put this on time lapse and start stabbing them in. So you see me putting all the strands in. After that, then I'll come back through, glue them all down. Then I'll come back and show you the shooting star technique. And after that, then we'll time lapse that and get on to the other kit. So this is going to take a couple days to do this. You ain't gonna do this in one day. So I mean, and I'm in a little hurry too, so I got a couple more to do after this one, so I gotta get him out of here. But I wanted to video this to show y'all, so yeah, we'll put it in time lapse. Well, we didn't show you a lot when we was getting done with the headliner. It was raining too hard on our shed. You couldn't hear me. It was muffling and stuff like that. And the battery was dying on the GoPro. And plus I was in a hurry, so got everything done, really. Just got everything put back in the truck. Customer's coming to pick it up in a few minutes. So we got, what we're working with is two kits. We got the 550 piece kit. It's got the shooting stars with it, so we got that kit in, and I got it ran down to the back side of the seat on the bottom, and I got it wired up right here to a toggle switch. And the second one is the second kit, so it's roughly about 900 lights in here all together with both kits and the shooting stars. So what we'll do is cut both switches on, and I like to run them on switches because they like to, even though your lights are off, your box will still be on, so now to run your battery down. So I like to put them on toggle switches to kill them. So yeah, we'll go ahead and demonstrate. Now this is 2 kits. It's the first time I did this like this, and I kind of dig it a lot. So run down, you can change your colors. I'm still trying to learn it. Both boxes are trying to sync in with each other, so we got to play with it a little bit. You see the shooting stars going. It's on the back side. But basically these are my 2 favorite colors in here. Well, it's almost 3 colors. You get like a cotton candy swirl or something. Like purple, pink, and blue and teal. So, see the shooting stars going there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna swap up the colors. Let's see what we can do. Let me try orange. So yeah, we got orange and teal. Now some of them will work together, some of them won't. So let's try white. Okay, that's our white. See, it's twinkling. We're gonna go purple. Okay. And then white. Nope, ain't working. But yeah, some of these colors are, there we go. We got a little bit of yellow, teal. Some of them will work together, some of them won't. So we're still trying to figure it out, get the kinks worked out. Let's see, meteor mode off, on. There's your shooting stars. You can see them better with the red. So let's go back to that one and that one. Well, I don't know why they want to. Okay. Well. Okay, how about let's do this. Teal on that color. Still won't work. We'll do purple on that one. Yeah. We just gotta play with it. So yes, all together that is about 900 total stars in this headliner. You know, being that we had a lot of room with no sunroof, so they gave me a lot of options to play around with more lights. So yeah, so this was just something to do quick, just to keep the content going. You know, I like to do this on the side, just doing stuff to different vehicles. I actually show you this one too. Now we got this Mercedes done. Waiting on the guy to come pick it up when he gets back home from work. I think I have the 550 piece kit in this one as well. So we'll cut it on. And it also has the shooting stars. So slow the motor speed down a little bit. So yeah, that's that. Go ahead and cut that off. Put that right there. Switch off. So yeah, something a little different for the channel. You know, we're trying to get our go-kart builds and stuff going. About to upload our 3rd video of our fire engine build, where I built bumpers and stuff for it and did the exhaust. So you can go ahead and go check that out. Oh, it's cold out here and getting wet. It's just nasty raining. But yeah, go ahead and check the fire truck build out, see what you think, because we got a lot of other builds we're doing after that. In the meantime, we'll be doing these Starlight headliners and stuff too. some light work. So yeah, just go ahead, give me the thumbs up if you like what you see. Subscribe. That'll, you know, that'll help me out a lot. So yeah, just go ahead and subscribe. Keep this going, and hopefully we'll go somewhere with this. So thank y'all for watching, and God bless.